Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to steam broccoli. Steaming vegetables is a great way to cook them because it helps to maintain nutrients. If you've ever boiled vegetables before, you might have noticed that the water was colored the same as the vegetables after cooking, and that means that a lot of nutrients were lost. By steaming, you lose a lot less nutrients. The first step is cutting up the broccoli. You'll use the knife to cut off the end of the broccoli, and then you can either use your hands or the knife to break up the broccoli into smaller pieces. Next, you should wash your broccoli by giving it a nice rinse in a colander. When it comes to steaming, there are multiple ways you can do it. You can use a steamer and then put water in the bottom if you have one, but for this video, I'll be showing you how to do it without using a steamer, using just a small pot. Turn the stovetop on to medium. Then fill a measuring cup with either a quarter or a half a cup of water, depending on how much broccoli you're using. As you can see, the water should just barely coat the bottom of the pan. Some people also like to add salt for flavor and to help the water boil. Put the lid on to allow the water to boil. Then, once it's boiling, you can put the broccoli in and put the lid back on to help it steam. You can set the timer depending on how you like the broccoli cooked. When the broccoli's done, drain all the water out and you can let it sit in the pan to stay warm. I recommend not leaving it in the water because nutrients will leach out and it will become overcooked. To see if the broccoli is done, use a fork to test it. The fork should easily be able to pass into the broccoli. You can also use the color as an indicator. As you can see here, the broccoli is still bright green, which is a good indication that it hasn't lost very many nutrients and that it's good to go. Once the rest of your food is ready, you can put the broccoli on a plate and enjoy.